What a day it's been. Rain has not stopped from last night. Not feeling to do anything else. My son Nishanth is not ready to go to school and I am not ready to do my office work.
Once rain stops, we will go for a walk. It's now raining heavily.
Oh, okay. It's now raining heavily. Once it stops, we will go for a walk. Yeah. Deep hurdles?
Yeah!
Nishanth wants to play in muddy puddles and I want to have a nice beautiful walk in this beautiful weather holding my son's hand.
It is Monday 15th of 2024. It's a very beautiful morning. It is raining as you see already. And today I have taken off and thought of going out in the rain for a walk with my son. He has got his small umbrella and I have got a big umbrella. Heavily raining. I'm just waiting the rain to go slow.
Umbrella. Dinosaurs got umbrella.
Nishanth is waiting to go out, but it is raining heavily. Yeah, Nishanth. Thank you, Nishanth, for helping me. Wow, Nishanth, it's raining.
Daddy, you should not hold more number.
I have mine own, yeah. Rain has stopped. We are going for a walk.
Bye-bye. Have a good time.
Hold umbrella properly. Yeah, come on.
Here, I show you how to hold umbrella.
Bye, Nishanth. Okay, come on. Come on. So me and Nishanth are outside having walk in a rain. It's fantastic. What is that?
Oh, it is going like us.
Like us, it's going for a walk?
Yeah. In a rain, it is going.
Okay. Come on, yes, that's perfect.
Like Daddy?
Yes. You saw another one? Yeah, we are going, come on. Yeah? You can see water here. Can you touch?
It's going to get moved.
Can you hold the umbrella properly? Yeah. What?
Muddy puddles are here.
Is it muddy puddle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay!
Go. Yeah, shoes will become wet. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Can you hold properly umbrella? See? Come on, yes. So there's so much water, right?
Yeah. The rain here put so much water.
Oh my God, look at this.
The rain have put so much water then.
This bridge is very close to our house and look at this. Now overnight rain has brought so much water into this canal. So much water. Look at that. Really again?
Yeah.
Let's go home then. Nishanth loves these muddy puddles. You found?
I found a muddy puddle to jump at.
Okay. See here. Oh.
Muddy puddle makes us wet, Daddy. It's water, Daddy.
It's just water?
Yeah.
Shall we go home? Okay, come on, let's go home then.